Welcome to the Experimental Techniques Centre at Brunel, University London. Here we have a range of world-class facilities such as electron microscopes, which give us a capability to analyse a whole range of classes of materials. And we also have a very substantial external commercial activity. Business clients, academics at other institutions, as well as the internal users.
The company might come here and talk to us in order to obtain a bespoke consultancy that can really clarify what's going wrong. We discuss with them what are the best analytical techniques in order to provide an answer.
We pride ourselves on the accessibility that we give to external clients. They come to us as a single point of contact and they can access all of our range of equipment. It's a very quick, simple process. The team comprises of a range of scientific officers. They all can support clients from anywhere from engineering through to life sciences.
We have clients coming to look at the development of novel sustainable polymers, thin semiconductor films for electronic applications, and contaminants in water.
Companies come to us with their development products and we help them make measurements to tailor their light outputs according to the applications that they are working to achieve.
We work with alloy development companies to identify the texture of different intermetallic phases and their alloys. We have clients from advanced materials, looking at nanoparticles in alloys or thin films.
We do have a lot of experience based on microplastic analysis to try and determine what kind of plastics are actually getting out there into the world. Clients come to us for material identification. We can actually look at solids, liquids and gases.
The ETC is accredited by the United Kingdom Accreditation Service. This gives the insurance to the customer that we look in an accurate way to the samples and we can refer to them in a traceable manner.